Hi friend, and welcome to my channel! Let's draw the Grinch together! Are you ready? Let's start! Draw a diagonal line, a curved line, and a small semicircle for each eye. Draw an oval for the nose. Draw a large curved line for the mouth and a small line on the side. Draw the first eyebrow with a curve, a diagonal line, and a curved line. Then draw the second eyebrow. Draw the base of the head with two curved lines. Draw the hair tufts for the face outline with some curved lines and small lines in the shape of the letter V. Draw a curved line for the chin and one for the neck. Draw the band of the head with three curved lines. Trace the head outline with a diagonal line, two curved lines, and another diagonal line. Draw a circle for the pom-pom. Wow! Our drawing is taking shape! Now draw the face outline with curved lines and small V-shaped lines, like I do. Starting from the nose, draw a vertical line. Now draw the scalp with a curved line, a wavy line, a curved line, and a wavy line. Draw two vertical wavy lines, a curved line, and another wavy line. Draw the texture of the scar with wavy lines. Draw a curved line for the shoulders and a diagonal one for the arms. Draw three diagonal lines for the arm, one diagonal line for the body. Draw a curved line and a wavy line for the palm of the hand, then draw four elongated V-shaped lines for the fingers. Draw the gift box with a vertical line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and two vertical lines. Draw the ribbon with four vertical lines, a horizontal line, and a diagonal line. Draw a curved line, a V-shaped line, a curved line for each end of the ribbon. Then draw two small semicircles. Draw the bow with four large curved lines. Finally, draw a horizontal line to outline the drawing. Wow! Our drawing came out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes, use dark green for the eyebrows, use green for the Grinch's fur and nose, Use light green for the muzzle. The hat with stripes of the scarf, the ribbon of the kit package with red. Yellow for the package. Our Grinch came out great! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon! And Merry Christmas!